Feel free to walk around and see what we have. We only brought some equipment of everything we bring. Normally we take quite a few ATVs. The skid steer, we take 2 fuel buffaloes. So we have diesel and gas, so we're self-sustained on that. We take 500 gallons of water, as well as cases of water. We take, there's a bathroom trailer, there's a command trailer. I have my people stationed around, so as you walk around, you have questions, feel free to ask anything you want out of the folks that are here.
The mission's different everywhere. We don't know, like Kevin said, till we get there, what that sheriff might need. And sometimes, frankly, they're a little caught off guard. They don't know what to ask for.
And we just go to serve. And we show up at the county and we go, hey, what do you guys need? And they give us mission taskings and we go forward and do that.
We don't do that, but like we have a car that's like the engine blew or something, we probably wouldn't do it. But if we had some, in like Escambia County has a trailer like this.
And perishable stuff that we're going to offload, we'll use. Yeah, but I'm going to take it back. But it gives us that information.
Usually there's a lot more big.
Updates, you're doing a wonderful job.